2021 Chevrolet Tahoe PPV, SSV coming soon to a police department near you. Chevrolet has introduced PPV and SSV variants of the 2021 Tahoe, which will be in the hands of law enforcement agencies across the country by next year. The 2021 Chevrolet Tahoe is the latest in a line of Tahoes dating back to 1997 to get gussied up for police duty. The Tahoe is all new for 2021 and rides on a new platform that rides better and has more cargo room thanks to a new independent rear suspension. The PPV model is rated for pursuit duty, while the SSV is geared more toward off-road use. Both variants get lots of upgrades inside and out, including improved cooling and braking systems and an electrical system capable of handling all the police equipment. Criminals best beware, because there's a new patrol vehicle out to catch up to the bad guys, the 2021 Chevrolet Tahoe PPV and SSV. Just like other Tahoe models since 1997, the latest iteration of Chevy's big SUV is ready to serve law enforcement groups nationwide. The two variants get lots of upgrades, both inside and out, over the standard civilian Tahoe that you'll soon be able to purchase from your local Chevy dealer. The PPV, which stands for Police Pursuit Vehicle, is the road-going variant that will be used mostly by police forces. The SSV, which stands for Special Service Vehicle, is a four-wheel drive vehicle that's more off-road oriented with increased towing capacity and is used by agencies like Border Patrol or game wardens, where high-speed, on-road chases aren't likely to happen. The law enforcement grade Tahoe's exterior designs are based on the Z71 trim level, which is visible on the front end, where a rugged front grille, higher approach angle, and front skid plate are visible. Since it's a police vehicle, this Tahoe gets a big steel bumper, too. The new GM truck-based SUVs have an independent rear suspension, which equates to more available cargo room and better ride quality. GM says Tahoe police vehicles offer the most cargo space of any law enforcement vehicle, with 70.3 cubic feet behind the second row seats. The second row doors are 3.5 inches larger than the last-gen Tahoes, which means that police will have an easier time loading in handcuffed suspects into the rear seats. Police officers will also have more hip room in the front seats, which will better accommodate an officer's bulky utility belt. Both the PPV and SSV get improved mechanical bits across the board to enhance handling, cooling, and braking, but the PPV version gets more upgrades aimed at improving street performance, while the SSV gets upgrades that impact off-road capability and towing capacity. Both the PPV and SSV come equipped with a standard 5.3-liter V8 that produces 355 horsepower and 383 lb-ft of torque. This engine is available with GM's dynamic fuel management, which uses 18 different firing patterns to maximize fuel efficiency for more time on patrol and less time at the pump. However, the engine in the PPV gets high-performance rocker covers that come from the LT4 engine in the Camaro ZL1, Corvette Z06, and Cadillac CT-SV. The rocker covers improve crankcase ventilation, which allows the vehicle to handle high lateral loads much more easily than before. Both the engine oil and transmission fluid are cooled by heavy-duty systems specific to law enforcement vehicles for prolonged use under high-load situations. Since PPV vehicles are involved in high-speed pursuits, they need the right tires to handle the changing conditions of a chase. Chevrolet worked with Bridgestone to develop Firestone Firehawk Pursuit all-season tires that improve stopping distance and handling. The tires are wrapped around 20-inch steel wheels designed to take whatever abuse an officer can dish out. The PPV vehicles also get a revised, lowered suspension with different dampers, coil springs, and stabilizer bars than civilian Tahoe models, all to improve aerodynamics and high-speed stability. It also gets a Brembo heavy-duty braking system with 16-inch rotors that are grappled by 6 piston calipers up front. Power can be routed to either all four or just the rear two wheels through a heavy-duty clutch-type limited slip differential. An optional max trailering package allows the SSV to tow up to 8,200 pounds. Four-wheel drive models in both PPV and SSV models get a special terrain mode that allows for off-road performance similar to a low-range four-wheel drive system without the need for a two-speed transfer case. Police officers' vehicles are often their offices, too, which is why Chevy is including 4G LTE Wi-Fi capability in the 2021 Tahoe PPV and SSV vehicles. The new police vehicles come with standard rear park assist, important since police vehicles often have a rear view that's obstructed by obstacles such as a canine kennel or cargo and a passenger partition. Also standard is push-button ignition and keyless entry, along with a full suite of optional driver assist features including forward collision alert, lane keeping assist with lane departure warning, automated emergency braking, and front pedestrian braking. Police officers also run a lot of electrical equipment in their cars: a radio, computer, lights, and sirens, so the 2021 Tahoe PPV and SSV get a dual battery system and emergency equipment isolation. To ease the upfitting process, Chevy included 31 wire circuits to the cockpit, 56 to the cargo area, and 25 shared circuits through the vehicle to connect aftermarket add-ons. PPV and SSV vehicles also get a beefy 760 amp auxiliary battery and a new high-output alternator that's 47% more powerful than in the 2020 model. So add the 2021 Tahoe to the list of upcoming vehicles that will catch your eye out on the road, even if this is not one you necessarily want to see in your rearview mirror.